Today I want to show you how to build an AI bot that can accept an image, process this image through a model that already supports vision capabilities, and use that information to troubleshoot the problem and essentially book an appointment. So for the purpose of this demo, I've already have Evans Cycles, which is a popular bike shop in London. And in this example here, we already have the widget installed. So I'm going to simply click on the widget and start the process, and then I'll show you how it was done. So I'll simply say that I have a major problem, just to start the conversation with the bot. And here we are in the stage where we need to provide more information about what the problem was. But since I don't want to provide any more information and explanation, I'm going to simply attach a picture of the problem. So let me do that. And so in this picture here, we have a broken bike chain. I've already attached it, and I will say, this is the problem. What should I do? And as you can see, the agent has already successfully identified the issue. And this is the correct identification. The chain link is damaged and it's bent and it needs to be replaced. So I'm going to go and start booking process for repairman. I've been provided with 3 locations, and I'll choose the West End Bike Services for the location where the repair will take place. Choose the appropriate time. And of course, I need to provide a name and email address in order to complete the registration. We're going to go through the process that was required to set this up. It's relatively straightforward. So first of all, we need to have an AI widget. And in this case, the AI widget is simply configured with some basic information that sets up the banner, the description for the bot, as well as the initial buttons. From the design panel, you can see how the widget looks like with some sample content already in. The most important part of this configuration is that you need to make sure that the bot can accept attachments, and those attachments will be used in case the user provides a picture. They can provide that picture either by selecting the picture from their desktop. If they're on mobile device, they will be given the opportunity to take an actual picture of the problem from their phone. The other element here is that this is connected to a bot, which is called the bike bot. So let me navigate to this bot and see what it looks like. Inside the backstory, which is the prompt for the bot, we have some basic configuration, which simply describes what needs to be done, how exactly to approach the repairman process, and so on. And finally, the most important part is the model. So in this case, we've selected GPT-4o. And as part of the configuration, we have enabled the image capability here, which means that the model will be able to accept input images and use the native features for the model to process these images. Now, this option is not available to all models, simply because not every model has vision capabilities. GPT-4o does have a vision capabilities, but you also can use something like Gemini Flash, Gemini 2, Gemini 1.5, and there's also a number of other models. If that's all set up, all you have to do is save, and this is all it takes to make this happen. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.